Good morning. Today we will see tooth proportions and problems related to that. Therefore, in helical gears, the normal module Mn should be selected from standard values. The first preference values of the normal module are normal module Mn in mm is equal to 1, 1.25, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10. The standard proportions of the addendum and dedendum are addendum HA is equal to Mn, dedendum HF is equal to 1.25 Mn, clearance C is equal to 0.25 Mn. Therefore, please write down this addendum HA is equal to Mn. Values of Mn you write down first of all. Write within 2 minutes because these proportions we have to use while solving problems. Therefore, you must write it. Therefore, I think you have written addendum HA is equal to Mn, dedendum HF is equal to 1.25 Mn, clearance C is equal to 0.25 Mn. Therefore, addendum circle diameter dA is given by dA is equal to d plus 2HA, which is equal to ZAMN divided by cos psi plus 2Mn. Now we will take Mn common. Therefore, addendum circle diameter dA is equal to Mn into bracket Z upon cos psi plus 2. Similarly, the dedendum circle diameter DF is given by DF is equal to D minus 2HF, which is equal to ZMN divided by cos psi minus 2.5 Mn. Therefore, DF is equal to Mn into bracket Z upon cos psi minus 2.5. Therefore, write down these two formulas dA or addendum circle diameter dA and dedendum circle diameter. Please write down. We have to use this while solving problems. Therefore, I think you have written this. The normal pressure angle alpha n is always 20 degree. The helix angle psi varies from 15 to 25 degree. Therefore, a portion of the top view of the helical gear is shown in figure. This is the helix angle psi. The gear rotates from left to right as indicated by the arrow. Left to right direction of motion. For this rotation, the point A1 will be the first point to come in contact with its meshing tooth on the other gear. It is called the leading edge of the tooth. Also, the point A2 will be the last point to come in contact with its meshing tooth on the other gear. It is called the trailing edge. Therefore, A1 is known as leading edge, A2 is called as trailing edge of the tooth. Therefore, in order that the contact on the face of the tooth shall always contain at least one point, the leading edge of the tooth should be advanced ahead of the trailing end by distance greater than the circular pitch, or x is greater than equal to pitch p, equation A. Therefore, from triangle A1 A2C, tan psi is equal to, this is also tan psi, is equal to A2C. This is tan psi A2C divided by A1C. You have to take angle A2 A1C, which is equal to A2C means x, A1C means b. Which, therefore, tan psi is equal to x upon b. Therefore, x is equal to b tan psi. Therefore, substitute this value of x in equation A. We are getting b tan psi is greater than equal to p. Therefore, b is greater than equal to p upon tan psi. Therefore, write down this, draw this diagram and write down these equations. Therefore, we know that Mn or normal module Mn is equal to m cos psi. Therefore, p upon tan psi is equal to pi m divided by cot tan psi, which is equal to pi mn divided by tan psi cos psi, which is equal to zmn upon sin psi. Therefore, b is greater than equal to pi mn upon sin psi. This is the minimum phase width. Remember, b is nothing but phase width. Its value is pi mn upon sin psi. Write down this. Therefore, I think you have written this. Therefore, based upon these truth proportions, we will solve problem. Let us revise the things. Just see normal module Mn. Standard values are 1, 1.25, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10 in mm. The standard proportions of the addendum and the dedendum are addendum HA is equal to Mn, dedendum HF is equal to 1.25 Mn, clearance C is equal to 0.25 Mn. The addendum circle diameter dA is given by dA is equal to d plus 2ha, where small d is nothing but pitch circle diameter. Always remember. Therefore, which is equal to Zmn divided by cos psi plus 2mn. Therefore, dA is equal to mn into bracket z divided by cos psi plus 2. Similarly, dedendum circle diameter df is given by df is equal to d minus 2hf, which is equal to zmn divided by cos psi minus 2.5 mn. Therefore, df is equal to mn divided by mn into bracket z divided by cos psi minus 2.5. Now, we have to find out phase width B. This is the phase width B. This figure is the top view of the gear. This figure is the top view of the gear. Therefore, x A to C distance is greater than equal to P. P means pitch from the triangle A1 A to C. A1 A to C. Tan psi is equal to A to C. A to C upon A1C, because this is the angle psi. Therefore, this opposite angle is also psi, which is equal to x divided by b. Therefore, x is equal to b tan psi. Therefore, substituting this value in equation A, we are getting b tan psi is greater than equal to p. Therefore, b is greater than p upon tan psi. Therefore, we know that mn is equal to m of cos psi. Therefore, p upon tan psi is equal to pi m divided by tan psi. Now, substituting value of mn from this equation, therefore, which is equal to pi mn divided by tan psi into cos psi, which is equal to zmn upon sin psi. Therefore, b is greater than equal to pi mn upon sin psi. This is the minimum phase width. Therefore, these are the some proportions. Therefore, based upon this, we will solve problem now. Therefore, write down this problem. Example 1. A pair of parallel helical gears consists of a 20 teeth pinion meshing with a 40 teeth gear. The helix angle is 25 degree and the normal pressure angle is 20 degree. The normal module is 3 mm. Calculate first the transverse module, means M, the transverse pressure angle, that is alpha, the axial pitch, that is PA, the pitch circle diameters of the pinion and gear, that is small d, dp and dg, the center distance, and the addendum and dedendum circle diameters of the pinion. Therefore, write down this problem, we will solve it. Okay, I think you have written the problem. Now we'll start the solution. Solution. In that, first of all, we'll write down given quantities. What are the given quantities? A parallel helical gear consists of 20 teeth pinion meshing with a 40 teeth gear. Therefore, ZP and ZG they have given. Therefore, write down number of teeth on pinion ZP is equal to 20. Now, ZG is equal to 40. Helix angle they have given, that is psi. Helix angle psi is equal to 25 degree. Normal pressure angle alpha n is equal to 20 degree. These and normal module mn they have given, mn is equal to 3 mm. Therefore, these are the given quantities. Now we'll find out one by one. Please write ZP 20, ZG 40, no, helix angle 25 degree, normal pressure angle 20 degree, normal module mn is equal to 3 mm. Therefore, now we'll find out transverse module. Therefore, first value transverse module, transverse module. Now its notation is m, transverse module m. Therefore, what is the formula between m and mn? Already we have seen m is equal to mn divided by cos psi, which is equal to, substitute the values, 3 divided by cos of 25 degree. Therefore, what is the value of m? Anyone can tell fast? Anyone student? What is the value of transverse module m?
3.31.
3.31. Okay. 3.31 mm. Now, next, transverse pressure angle. Therefore, write down your second value. Transverse pressure angle. Now, what is the formula? Transverse pressure angle tan alpha is equal to tan of alpha n divided by cos psi, which is equal to tan of 20 upon cos of 25. Therefore, what is the value of alpha? What is the value of alpha? What is the value of alpha? Anyone can tell fast?
0.40.
No, no, alpha value I want. They make tan inverse. Tan inverse. What is tan inverse?
21 point,
How much?
21.88.
Correct. 21.88. 21.88 degree. Now calculate axial pitch. Third value. Axial pitch. Axial pitch. That is PA. Axial pitch PA. What is the formula? Axial pitch. We have seen in the expression. We'll go back now. This is the axial pitch. PA is equal to P upon tan psi. Axial pitch means your face width. Remember, axial pitch means your face width. Therefore, write down axial pitch PA is equal to axial pitch PA is equal to, or there is some relation I will tell, tan psi. PA is equal to P upon tan psi. Therefore, P means transverse pitch. Therefore, P is nothing but pi into M divided by tan psi. Therefore, substitute the values. Pi into 3.31 upon tan of 25 degree. Therefore, PA is equal to, what is the answer? Hello, what is the value of PA? Axial pitch
22.30, sir.
22.30. Okay. 22.30 mm. Now we'll calculate pitch circle diameter of pinion and gear. Let's write down fourth. Pitch circle diameters of pinion and gear. Therefore, dP is equal to Zp into Mn upon cos psi. Therefore, substitute the values. 20 into 3 divided by cos of 25. Therefore, dP is equal to, calculate the answer. Okay, what is the answer?
66.20.
Yes, correct. 66.20 mm. Now, pitch circle diameter of gear DG is equal to ZG into Mn upon cos psi. Therefore, substitute the values. 40 into 3 divided by cos of 25. Therefore, DG is equal to, calculate the value. What is the value?
132.41.
132.41 mm. And now we will find out addendum and dedendum circle diameters of pinion. Therefore, write down fifth value. Addendum and dedendum circle diameters of the pinion addendum and dedendum circle diameters of pinion. Therefore, addendum circle diameter DA is given by Mn into bracket ZP upon cos psi plus 2, which is equal to 3 into bracket 20 upon cos 25 plus 2. Therefore, calculate DA, addendum circle diameter of pinion in mm. Okay, what is the answer? Hello?
72.20.
72.20.
7, 72.
72.20.
72.20. Now, dedendum circle diameter, DF. What is formula? Mn into bracket ZP upon cos psi minus 2.5, which is equal to 3 into bracket 20 upon cos of 25 minus 2.5. Therefore, calculate value of DF.
58.70.
How much? 58.
58.70.
70 Okay. Now this problem is over. Those students who have not written, please write down. Then we'll solve next problem. I think you have written. Now we'll solve the problem. Next problem. The second problem is same as that of first problem. We'll solve this third problem. Write down this third problem. A pair of parallel helical gears consists of a 25 teeth pinion meshing with a 50 teeth gear. The normal pressure angle is 20 degree. The normal module is 4 mm. The center distance is 165 mm. Calculate module, helix angle, the axial pitch, the pitch circle diameters of the pinion and the gear, transverse pressure angle, and the addendum and dedendum circle diameters of the pinion. Write down within 5 minutes so that we can solve this problem. Okay, I think you have written the problem. Now we will solve the problem. Solution. In that, first of all, given quantities. First is ZP 25, ZG 50, normal pressure angle alpha n 20 degree, normal module Mn 4 mm, center distance small a is equal to 165 mm. Write down the given quantities. ZP 25, ZG 50, alpha n 20 degree, normal model mm, center distance small a is equal to 165 mm. Therefore, first of all, they have given center distance. Therefore, what is the formula of center distance? Center distance small a is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket dp plus dg. Therefore, substitute the formulas of dp and dg. What is dp? Mn zp upon cos psi plus mn zg upon cos psi. Therefore, A is equal to which equation you will get? Mn will take common. Mn into bracket Zp plus Zg divided by 2 cos psi. Now substitute the values. 1 165 is equal to 4 into bracket 25 plus 50 divided by 2 into cos of psi. Therefore, calculate value of psi helix angle. Calculate and tell. What is the answer?
24.62.
24.62. Yes, correct. Psi is equal to 24.62 degree. Now we will calculate transverse module. Therefore, write down transverse module. Transverse is equal to. Therefore, what is the value of Mn? 4 divided by cos of 24.62. Therefore, calculate value of M in mm. What is the value?
4.40.
4.40 mm. Now we'll calculate axial pitch. We'll calculate axial pitch PA. Therefore, write down axial pitch PA. PA is equal to P upon tan psi, which is equal to pi m upon tan psi. Therefore, PA is equal to pi into 4.40 divided by tan of 25 degree. Sorry, what is psi? 24.62. Psi is equal to 24.62. Therefore, PA is equal to, calculate the answer. What is the value?
30.16.
30.16. 30.16 mm. Now we calculate transverse pressure angle, that is transverse pressure angle alpha. What is the formula? Tan of alpha is equal to tan of alpha n divided by cos of psi. Therefore, substitute the values. Tan of 20 divided by cos of 24.62. Calculate the value of alpha. What is the value of alpha?
21.82.
Yes, correct. 21.82. 21.82 degree. Now you calculate pitch circle diameters of pinion and gear. Write down pitch circle. Sorry. Pitch circle diameters of pinion and gear. Therefore, write down dp is equal to, what is formula? Mn into zp or zp into mn, whatever it is, into divided by cos psi. Therefore, substitute the values. 4 into 25 upon cos of 24.62. Calculate value of pitch circle diameter of pinion in mm. Then pitch circle diameter of gear, dg is equal to mn into zg upon cos psi, which is equal to 4 into 50 divided by cos of 24.62. What is dp and dj?
dp is equal to 110 and dg is equal to 220.
Yes, correct. Now we will calculate addendum circle diameters and dedendum circle diameters of pinion. Therefore, addendum and dedendum circle diameters of pinion, that is DAP, is equal to Mn into bracket ZP divided by cos psi plus 2, which is equal to, what is the value of Mn? 4 into 25 divided by cos of 24.62 plus 2. What is addendum circle diameter?
118.
118 point, or this much only?
This much only.
Okay, then calculate the addendum circle diameter. D of P. What is formula? Mn into bracket ZP upon cos psi minus 2.5, which is equal to 4 into bracket 20 upon cos of 24.62 minus 2.5. What is the answer?
100, sir.
100? Yes, correct. Okay, we'll stop here. Thank you very much. Enter your numbers.